Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Do you find yourself constantly battling dry, itchy skin since entering menopause? You're not alone. Many women experience this frustrating change in their skin. Today, we're diving deep into the world of post-menopausal skincare. We've gathered top solutions from skincare experts to help you regain that healthy, hydrated glow. So, let's get started and say goodbye to dry, uncomfortable skin. First, let's understand why menopause affects our skin. As estrogen levels drop, our skin produces less oil and collagen. This leads to dryness, fine lines, and a loss of elasticity. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to combat these changes. Let's start with the basics: hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining skin moisture. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can also eat water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Next, let's talk about your skincare routine. It's time to swap out harsh cleansers for gentle, creamy ones. Look for products with ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid. These help lock in moisture and strengthen your skin barrier. Here's a step-by-step routine to follow. 1. Cleanse with a mild, non-foaming cleanser. 2. Apply a hydrating toner or essence. 3. Use a serum with hyaluronic acid. 4. Follow with a rich moisturizer. 5. Don't forget sunscreen during the day. Now, let's explore some specific ingredients that work wonders for dry, mature skin. First up is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. It helps improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. You can find it in many serums and moisturizers. Another powerhouse ingredient is retinol. It boosts collagen production and cell turnover. Start with a low concentration and use it every other night to avoid irritation. Peptides are also great for mature skin. They help stimulate collagen production and improve skin firmness. Look for products that contain peptides in your night cream or serum. Let's not forget about natural oils. Jojoba oil, argan oil, and rosehip oil are excellent for dry skin. They provide intense hydration without clogging pores. You can add a few drops to your moisturizer or use them on their own. Now, here's a tip many people overlook: use a humidifier. Dry air can worsen skin dryness, especially during winter. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping your skin stay hydrated. Let's talk about lifestyle changes that can make a big difference. First, cut back on hot showers. Hot water strips your skin of its natural oils. Opt for lukewarm water and limit shower time to 10 minutes. Diet plays a crucial role in skin health too. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. These help maintain skin moisture and reduce inflammation. Don't forget about antioxidants. Berries, dark chocolate, and green tea are all great sources. They help protect your skin from free radical damage. Regular exercise is another key to healthy skin. It improves blood circulation, bringing more nutrients to your skin. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Stress can worsen skin issues, so find ways to relax. Try meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few deep breaths throughout the day. Your skin will thank you for it. Now, let's address a common misconception. Many people think oily moisturizers are best for dry skin. In reality, it's about finding the right balance of hydration and nourishment. Look for non-comedogenic products that won't clog your pores. Here's a DIY face mask recipe for extra hydration. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of mashed avocado. Apply to clean skin and leave on for 15 minutes before rinsing. Do this once a week for a boost of moisture. Remember, patience is key when it comes to skincare. It can take several weeks to see noticeable improvements. Stick with your routine and give new products time to work. If your dry skin persists or becomes painful, don't hesitate to see a dermatologist. They can provide personalized advice and prescribe stronger treatments if needed. There you have it, folks. Your guide to combating dry skin after menopause. Remember, every person's skin is unique, so it may take some trial and error to find what works best for you. We hope these expert tips help you achieve the healthy, glowing skin you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.